In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 15 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless if you have a Mac or a Windows laptop, you can easily transfer the data from your iPhone. For this video, I'm going to be using the iPhone 15 as an example, but this process will work with any other model. It can be the standard iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, or other models like the iPhone 13, 14, 16, and so on. So for this method, you will need a cable. I believe that using a cable is the most straightforward approach to this, and even though there are methods that allow you to transfer this wirelessly or over the cloud, they require a lot of setup. The cable is easy to do and it works on most laptops. So all that you have to do for this particular case is to grab a USB to Lightning or USB to USB-C, depending on the model of iPhone that you have. So look at the charging port and determine which cable you need. Usually your charging cable should be enough. As long as you grab the proper one, you will be able to establish this connection. So usually the USB-A end will go into the laptop, and then the other end goes into the iPhone. There is no secret to this. Immediately upon establishing this connection, assuming that your laptop is powered on, there might be a notification on the iPhone's screen telling you if you want to allow this connection or if you trust this laptop or device. As long as you allow the connection, when you open File Explorer on a Windows laptop, for example, you will see under this PC the Apple iPhone that you connected. When you open the internal storage, you will have a lot of folders including all of your files. So now you can transfer them back and forth between your PC. You can grab files from your laptop and drag them inside of the iPhone's storage, or the opposite, where you will be able to get the photos, back them up, or if you want to free up storage on the iPhone, you can simply transfer them over to your laptop storage instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 15 to a laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.